The built-in whiteboard on Newline interactive flat panels can be more than just a blank canvas. I'm Megan Hoffman, a Technology Integration Specialist with the Southwest West Central Service Cooperative. Enhance your whiteboard backgrounds. Open the whiteboard on your Newline panel. The default background is a plain white background. To add a page with a different background, long press on the plus sign. A pop-up menu will appear where you can select a color and pattern for the background. Select the color and/or pattern you want and press the blue Add button. Let's take a quick look at a few of the options. If you find that there's a particular background that you use a lot, you can set that as the default so that anytime you tap the plus sign to add a page, it will automatically add a page with that background. To change the default background, press the settings cog in the lower right corner. Select Default Settings. Select Background. Choose the background color and/or pattern you want as your default background. Here I'll select light green and handwriting lines. Now when you tap the plus sign, the new page will have the background you set as the default. For more information, explanations, and inspiration, check out the SWWC Technology Integration channel on YouTube, and remember to click subscribe. Thanks for watching. Now all you Newline users, go jazz up your whiteboards.